Well, rosemary salt, there we go. Everybody's got their own little recipe. There's one that works for me. I can do this in a few minutes, get it going, and then it's good for a month or two. That's the easiest way to do it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to looking for about a quarter cup of rosemary. I'm going to chop that in very, very fine piece. Of course, I could do it in the blender, but between you and me, it's very relaxing to chop stuff up. So I'm chopping on my wood table, chopped up. And then once I'm done that, I don't have to clean my blender. It's ready to go. So in my recipe, I'm going to have some Himalayan salt. You can use normal salt if you want. It doesn't really matter. It's whatever you have and you like. So I'm looking at 1 cup of salt, 1 tablespoon of pepper, a quarter cup of rosemary, and mix all that together. Once it's all mixed, I'm going to put some wax paper on tray, get that all leveled up. I'm trying to make it as even as I can on the tray itself, and it's gonna go into the stove for 20-30 minutes at 350 degrees. Make sure you check on it in the last few minutes. What I'm looking for is I'm looking for my rosemary to be very dark black looking, and that's the way that I'm going to see that it's well cooked. If I don't cook it, it's obviously for storage wise. Other than that, I'll have to get it in the fridge. I like to keep all my rubs together, and my rosemary salt is also with one of my rubs. So if you like this recipe, let me know. I've done that a few times. It's very good, tastes very good. It smells absolutely beautiful. That's one thing that I like about it. And then it's something that you can use, use the rub one night and then you use the rosemary salt the next night. Makes it for a totally different steak. Remember, for your steak, try to get it seasoned at least an hour before you're gonna cook it and at home temperature. So thanks. If you have any recipes, please comment or also send me your recipes. I'll give them a try. I'm obviously looking for something that's very healthy, high testosterone, low estrogen, and I'll give those a try. If you like the actual video itself, just subscribe, keep on going. And remember, I'm doing this for fun. It is fun. Do some cooking, some high testosterone boost, get the energy going, get ready for training, get ready for race day. Have a good day. Thanks a lot.